Hello everyone, this is Raji in association with AKST. Today let us learn about Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is an Azure service. It is provided by Microsoft. So, what is ADF? Azure Data Factory is a part of Microsoft Cloud Service. It is mainly used for building ETL, nothing but extraction, transformation, and loading. So, data is first extracted from SSII like SQL service, integration services, and through ETL pipelines, it is transformed to destination data like Power BI. So, the ETL service will be done by Cloud Factory, that is Azure Data Factory. So, the Azure Data Factory is used by the organizations for secure transfer of data from and to the cloud. So it is used to extract data from outer source, transform it, filter it, enhance it, and move it along to another destination. So it is used for copying data from many sources and transforming that data and publishing the copied and transformed data. It monitors the data flows. So in any cloud projects, we need to perform data movement activities across various networks and various services. So data factory is required by the organization to connect their data with the cloud. So this ADF has a runtime engine, a gateway service which can be installed on premises to secure transfer of data from and to the cloud. The main feature of Azure Data Factory is it can handle big data volumes. Without Data Factory, organizations must build custom data movement components for data processing. So this is an expensive process and it is hard to integrate and maintain such systems. By using Azure Data Factory, you can move data from both on-premises and cloud source data store to a centralized data store in the cloud for further analysis. After the process or transform the collected data by using ADF mapping data flows. So the top level concepts of ADF are pipeline, activities, datasets, linked services, data flows, and integration runtime. So pipeline. A pipeline is a logical grouping of activities that performs a unit of work. Together the activities in a pipeline perform a task. This pipeline allows you to manage the activities as a set instead of managing each one individually. The activities can be operated sequentially or can be operated individually, independently. Next, integration runtime. This integration runtime provides the bridge between activity and the linked services. It provides the compute environment where the activity either runs or gets dispatched from. Next, activity. Activities represent a processing step in a pipeline. Azure Data Flow supports three types of activities: data movement activities, data transformation activities, and control activities. Next, dataset. Datasets represent data structures within the data stores, which simply point to or reference the data you want to use in your activities as inputs or outputs. Next, linked services. Linked services are much like connection strings which define the connection informations thus needed for data factory to connect to external resources. The linked service is used for two purposes: to represent a data source, to represent a compute resource that can host the execution of an activity. So these are the top level activities in the Azure Data Flow Factory. The Data Factory offers you the possibility to easily integrate cloud data with on-premises data. It's unique in its ease of use and its ability to transform and enrich complex data. It delivers data integration which is scalable, available, and at low cost. So this is about the introduction of Azure Data Factory. Thank you.